Hey there and welcome. My name is JP Letnick. I am co-owner of Sapphire SEO and creator of Blog Builder Basics. What we're going to start off with today is phase 1, and that is how to go ahead and purchase a domain name for your website. Now, you can choose your domain name ahead of time, preferably, but this is going to show you how to actually purchase the domain name. So we're going to assume you've already chosen your domain name. Now, you're going to be here on your web browser. Now, whatever web browser you're using, it doesn't matter. Just put your cursor in the address bar, and you're going to go ahead and search for GoDaddy.com. Now, we recommend GoDaddy because they are one of the most prominent domain name registrars online. They've been around for quite a long time, very secure, safe to use, very reliable, and they have good prices. So what you're going to do is you're going to create an account right here if you haven't already. Now, if you already have an account, you can log in. So we're going to go ahead and log in. Just put in our username and our password. And this is going to bring us to the same page that we were at, except it's just going to show my account. Now, if you haven't already purchased a domain, you're going to go ahead and search for a new one right here on the Build Your Dream Start with a Domain. Now, depending on what time you're looking at these videos, there might be a different section that you actually search for the domain name, but right now this is where you go. So, for example, if we were to search for Blog Builder Basics, Blog Builder Basics, and then .com is already there. Now you can choose a different type of domain type that you want, but we're going to choose .com, and you click search. So obviously we have already purchased the domain name. This is where the course is on, so blogbuilderbasics.com is already taken. If it was available, it would say it's available, and you can add it to cart. So let's go ahead and pretend that we're going to choose a different version of it. So we've got .info is available. Let's do that. So click add. So you can see in our shopping cart on the side that blogbuilderbasics.info is added to our shopping cart, and we can continue to registration. So go ahead and click continue. It's going to try and upsell you on a whole bunch of things. Just click continue. You don't need anything else. Again, it's going to try and upsell you on email accounts and hosting. Just ignore all of it. Just continue. Now, if you have any domains expiring, you can check off whether you want them or not. I'm just going to click no thanks. And here we are on the actual page to register. Now, if you don't foresee yourself doing this website for a long period of time, just do 1 year. Keep your costs down low. Now this is an info, so it's a little bit less expensive. It's only $5. Do not recommend getting info. Get .com, .org. I would stick with those two specifically. Now, because this is a .info, it's going to be less expensive. However, what you can do if you're getting a .com is if you open up a new tab and you go to Google, you can type in GoDaddy coupon, and then usually Fat Wallet is a good place to go. So Fat Wallet is usually the first one there, but you can see a whole bunch of different coupons that you can access to. So if you're ordering a .com, then right here is 30% off .com, .net, and .org, new or renewal. So you can just copy this code, and then in your GoDaddy you can click enter promo code. You enter in the code and click apply. It applies the savings to your cart. So when you have this done, you can click checkout, and you can fill out the payment information, and it'll be added to your account. That is essentially all you need to do to purchase a domain name through GoDaddy. Now, it's basically the same process through any other registrar. You can do it through HostGator, you can do it through Canadian Domain Registry, it doesn't matter. What you will want to keep track of, though, is the cost. GoDaddy is very inexpensive by itself, plus if you add on a promo code, you get removed 30% off. You're going to be paying roughly about $7 to $10 for a good domain name, and that's very inexpensive. Some other places you'll be paying $20 per domain name per year, and frankly you don't need to pay that much. It's the exact same thing. Now, once you have completed that, you're going to wait about 5 minutes. You'll get a welcome email for creating your account on GoDaddy, and you'll get a email confirming that you've purchased the domain name. As soon as you've received that, you're good to go on to the next step, phase 2, which is purchasing your hosting. At this time, we're going to just leave it here. So thank you for watching, we'll see you on the next video.